grilled. It's delightful. Let's use up our leftover pancakes and make spinach and ricotta cannelloni, pancake style.
Well, I'm not necessarily expecting you to have leftover pancakes from Pancake Day, because if you're anything like me, I scoffed from AM to PM and not a scrap was left. But we do know that French crepes are very simple to make. So you can whip up a batch of my secret spinach ones if you fancy, or whatever you've got left over. And we're gonna make this spinach and ricotta stuffed pancake cannelloni. So simple. Our filling is actually blanched spinach, ricotta, parmesan for that extra cheesy flavour, nutmeg because it complements it so well, and a lovely bit of chilli flakes just to warm it through. Season it up, and then you're going to stuff your filling into your pancakes and roll them up. As simple as that. This is a great recipe to pull together with a family because it really is so easy. And the colours, this is a feast for the eyes as well as the taste buds. We're going to drench our pancakes in passata that I have jazzed up in the same way that I would if I was using it for pizza sauce. So I put in a really good quality olive oil, hello Farcioni, and then I had to add oregano and season with salt and pepper. Pour this over your pancakes, get them completely submerged, and then scatter over a generous helping of mozzarella cheese. We're going to bake it in the oven, and you want it to bubble and go gorgeously golden, and this is comfort food, people.